we were trying to figure out what is the perimeter of the photograph. So we've got one with a border of 1 inch, and let's call this length X, and let's call the width Y. So that means from here to here, well, we know that from here to here is X, and then we got a 1 inch border there and a 1 inch border there, so it's actually X plus 2. And that means this side would be Y plus 2. And we know that X plus 2, the length, times the width, equals M. Now, we've got the same photograph, but we increased the border to 2 inches. So let this be X, and this be Y. Of course, this is 2 inches, this is 2 inches. So this outside here would be Y plus 4, and this would be X plus 4, going from here to here. And we know that X plus 4 times Y plus 4 equals what? If you increase, the total area is M plus 52. So let's do some algebra. Let's FOIL this out. That's X times Y, X times 2, or 2X, plus 2 times Y, plus 4 equals M. So that's what M equals. And let's take that. Well, let's go ahead and let me show you this. Oops, I'm not sure what that did. I'm going to substitute this M in right here, okay? So let's FOIL out this left side, and that gives me XY plus 4X plus 4Y plus 16 equals M, which is XY plus 2X plus 2Y plus 4 plus 52. And these XY's cancel, and subtract 2X from both sides, and it gives me a 2X, that's gone. Subtract 2Y from both sides, that gives me plus 2Y plus 16 equals 4 plus 52, which is 56. Now subtract 16 from both sides, and you get 2X plus 2Y equals 40. So I know my perimeter is 40 because the perimeter is the distance around. So that side's X, this is Y, this is Y. So you sum those up, you've got 2 X's plus 2 Y's, and that gives you your perimeter. And we know it's 40.